So guys, I believe today we are gonna have a profitable trading session. So let's get started. There are $450 on the balance. So let's open position today, guys. I think we are gonna be fine with a straight amount. Today I don't wanna get too excited. So, and what concerns our today indicators, I think the first is going to be the fractal, and the second one is the RSI. If you are new in trading, then the strategy will be a big help for you. Watch the video till the end, and after that you will be able to trade and to make money just like me, guys. So let's determine the trends. We set the period to 100 on the RSI. Let's also select the daily chart and watch the situation on the market. So, ascending one, more ascendings, and let's analyze our charts. I definitely see more uptrends here. That's why we'd better remove all the downward trends and keep only upward ones. Today we are gonna open mostly long position, guys. There we go. I think I am fine with the remaining price charts. Let's move back here and configure the RSI indicators at the period of 14, also at the overbought and oversold zones. Here we see that set the period to 80 and the RAW was set to 45. This setting suits us perfectly, so click the save button and we are gonna open long position following the trend direction. So, and let's get down to trading and find the better currency pair for the most promising trade entry. Let's determine it. So, I think we should open a long position here. We just killed the candle closing. We see that the RSI crossed the line 45, which is the oversold zone, and we understand that the local low is going to be updated here. Here we observe the correction, after which we are going to see a good bounce. Our support zone is going to play out here, and the price is going to go up. And yep. Maybe it will not happen right away, but it definitely will. By now I am fine with the price movement. This volatility is a typical things. In this case, a small breakout has already happened. We see that the volatility is really high here, but the breakout is happening now. There are several seconds and there we go. We got almost $1,000 on our balance. Good trade entry level. The breakout has recently happened, and let's find another trade entry and let's find the next currency pair for that. So let's take a look at and analyze what options do we got here. I don't see any good trade entries so far. Here, in theory, we observe a small correction. I think we should also open a long position. Actually, this is not the best trade entry. I wish we opened a little bit lower. But I don't know why it was opened higher than expected. But anyway, I think the breakout will definitely happen at the end. Because we see a small correction from this level, but the trend is still upwards. Also, the crossing happened here, and I think the price is gonna move to the upside following the trend direction. That's why we open our long position, and we already see the inception of the green candle. So we should wait a little bit and we will see the breakout at the end. And yep, as you can see, the breakout has happened. We are on profits again. It took us a few minutes to double up our balance. Good job, guys. So let's remove the bad payout rate and let's continue analyzing. As you can see, it's quite simple. By the way, you had better trade on a 1 minute time frame if you use my strategy. So, and let's change the currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's take a look. Well, what do we got here? I definitely see some volatility on the charts, and we observe more downward dynamics here. We should look for trade entry very closely. Here we see a correction. The breakout is happening, and let's open a long position here. The breakout has happened after all, and we also see the crossing on the RSI, which is bullish signal, also the updating of the local lows. The support zone played out perfectly, then the bounce did happen, then there were a correction, a really good one, as well as we see here. And after this correction, I think we are gonna expect a strong upward dynamics. That's why we opened the long, guys. And there are literally 20 seconds left before the closing. Theoretically, the price should remain on this level for a while or continue going upwards. Now we see nice volatility on the market. There are a second left and our position has been closed in profits again. We got $1,600 on the balance. Let's probably pick a few more currency pairs. So let's take a look what we got here. Probably this one. So let's open the daily chart. We see the upward movement, and let's keep this one. Nice payout rate. And let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's check it out. I don't see any clear signals so far. However, we can stop on these currency pairs. Let's take a look. Correction seems to be happening, but it looks like the upper dynamics will go on. That's why we are going to play ahead of the market here, and we open a long position following the trend direction. I paid attention to the fact that there were a strong correction before, and here some kind of accumulation has been formed, and the breakout from this level did happen. And we can consider this downward movement as a correction, then we expect the continuation of the bullish movement. It seems that we are not mistaken here. That's why I opened the position a little bit ahead of the market, following the trend direction. And I think our position should end up in profits. We are gonna expect the breakout. So guys, exactly as I predicted, the breakout has happened right at the end. We are gonna in profits. We got $2,000 on the balance. We played ahead of the market. This kind of trade entry is only for experienced traders. I don't recommend you taking such risk if you're new in trading, guys. So you'd better gain some trading background before opening such position. And let's continue our trading session, find the next currency pair. So there is a price rebound take place, and let's open a long position. Good trade entry, guys. Update of the local lows did happen. We see a small correction down here, then a pump to the upside. We see some consistency on the chart. We also see a small correction here, and I'm expecting to see the continuation of the uptrend. That's why we opened the long position. We also see the price rebound on the RSI. It hasn't reached the oversold zone yet. We can see that it had the downward dynamics for a long time here. And there were several seconds left before the closing. And another position is in the profit, guys. I think we should open two final positions in order to consolidate our gains, because I hope you got the principle of using this strategy and you realized that is not that difficult. But still, I am gonna open a few more trades, and let's open next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's take a look at here. There is upward dynamics everywhere, and here we actually can see a good price movement, a potential reversal. We observe a small downward dynamics, the correction is happening now. Also, the global trend was upwards, but from this level the price started gradually going down. Let's take a look at the daily chart. And yeah, the downward dynamics, it's gained moments here. I think we are gonna hold off from trading here. We don't want to make mistakes here, so let's find another currency pair. Well, we need to analyze properly. Yep, we could open here, why not? Let's open a long position here. We are seeing a small pullback from the zone, and this is a good signal because the upward dynamics prevails here, and after this small correction the price recovery follow-ups. The uptrend is gained moments here, and we played ahead of the market. This correction should be over and the price should go up. Following the trend direction, and yep, that's exactly what's happening now. That correction is over. We are seeing a huge pump here, really beautiful one. I didn't even expect this. It should have been a little lower, but still it doesn't matter now. Our position has been closed in profits. I'm happy with such outcome. We got almost $3,000 on the balance. And let's make it up to $3,000, guys, and we will withdraw the monies. And so let's find the better currency pair for that, the most profitable trade entry. Let's carry on analyzing. Oh, I think we should open a long position here. Very nice trade entry level. We've held a good correction here, after which the price is gonna move up. We see the consistency of the price movement, upward dynamics and the correction. Here is also the upward dynamics and the correction. I think the correction should be over on this level, or it's gonna hit this line, and after the inception of a new candle, the price is gonna continue moving upwards. The local low is going to be updated and the price should move up. So we already see that the low volatility movement prevails here, which leads to the inception of the green candle. Nice trade entry level, and this position also end up in profits, guys. We got a little more than $3,000 on the balance. I think we can call it a night for today. It took us several minutes to reach $3,000 from $450. I think we did nice today, and I hope you enjoyed my trading, guys, and you learned something new, several useful types for trading. And let's not drag this out. We are gonna withdraw the money. Let it be $3,000 to my Bitcoin wallet. Press the continue button. That's it, guys. Our transaction is being processed. I will touch the screen where it's done. So thank you guys for watching. Press the like buttons and leave the comments down below. Good luck in trading. Bye bye.